Yes, my people, good day. Please excuse the reduced tone in my voice. The wife and the kids are in the living room watching Back to the Future. You know that's a classic, and I wouldn't want to be doing this voiceover and then disturb them. You understand? You have to raise up the kids knowing the classics. You understand? Some of this new stuff. But I digress. Update on the toolbox. A few people are asking. The other day, after I'd posted it, I'd planned to tell her what was going on. But when I went inside, she had a tummy ache. So I didn't want to exacerbate the situation with this. You know what I mean? Possibly she's not feeling well. So I don't want to add any more drama to the thing. You understand? So sometimes as a husband, you have to learn to be more considerate and not just think about yourself and pushing your agenda, you know? So I was just waiting on her to feel a little bit better before I break the news. And, you know, she started to feel better the next day and everything. But it was so soon on the heels of she feeling better that I didn't want to risk any kind of relapse or anything with the tummy ache. So I just let it go. So here we are now at this point. Due to some of the comments that some of you guys left, I realized that I decided to wait a little bit more and not just jump the gun telling her about the toolbox purchase just yet. And the reason for this is I decided to spruce it up a little bit. You understand? I tried cleaning it, but it didn't come out the way to my liking. It wasn't coming out nice and clean. And furthermore, if she sees it in the current state, looking like a diamond in the rough, which it is, she might not recognize it. So in an attempt to assist her potential short-sightedness or misunderstanding the actual great value, you know, I believe some fresh paint will do wonders. So I'm going to paint it, give it a little, a facelift. Not sure which color I'm going to go with yet, if I'm going to keep it red or I might change it yellow or, something like that. I like bright colors. So give me some suggestions on what you think. Or just keep it red. All right. I know she will love it and will be so happy for me and the deal that we found. I think she will be overjoyed when she see it nice and pretty and everything and look good. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to take you along for the journey in the refinish. So you see me just remove the drawers them and everything. And I'm going to fix some of the slides, because some of the slides kind of sticky when you pull the drawers out. And if we do all this work, I want them to be smooth, bring it back to its previous glory. You understand? Remember now, the important thing is to, make this thing look like the diamond that it is. You understand? So, yeah. So that's where I'm at. That's what I'll be doing. And believe me, I really do appreciate love all of your concern and all of your suggestions. And I am confident that she will see it for the diamond it is when we break the news, right? Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless. Yeah. And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.